Alright guys, we got a 2018 BMW 330i. We did a muffler delete on it and new tips. He brought his own tips and everything like that. So converter is up there somewhere. Down to the resonator. It's all 3-inch. And into a 3-inch we did a Y pipe. We put a new bumper, diffuser, splitter and all that on there. So we ran duals off of it. So there's a T pipe technically right there. That's the driver and the passenger side right there and right there. And that's what it looks like on the back side. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Remember guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the post notifications. Let you guys hear it on the inside. BMW 330i, muffler delete, Y pipe.